The BMW X3 was one of the first compact premium SUVs to hit the market, but the third-generation model, coded G01 by BMW, now faces stiff competition. That's because it's on the market in a market that has evolved dramatically since the initial model was introduced in 2003. Overall, the X3 is a formidable contender in the compact premium SUV segment, thanks to its efficient yet powerful engines, large interior, and engaging driving experience. Just be wary of the enticing list of options. The 355 brake horsepower M40i and 335 brake horsepower M40d are freestanding models, with larger 21-inch alloys, black exterior decor, electrically adjustable front seats, with memory function, M adaptive suspension, and M Sport brakes at the top of the range. If these versions aren't powerful enough, the 503 brake horsepower X3M is an option, but expect to pay a premium since it starts at almost £86,000. The X3's exterior design is a progression of previous models, but it's all new below, with running gear derived from the BMW 5 Series. Except for the M40i and M40d, all versions come standard with xDrive 4-wheel drive. There is no choice for a manual transmission, only an 8-speed automatic. Although some people will be upset by the lack of a 7-seat option to accommodate larger families, the new X3 is practical and capacious. Along with the petrol and diesel variants of the automobile, as well as the pure electric 9.3, there is now a plug-in hybrid option to choose. M Sport variants include a more body-colored finish and a M Sport leather-trimmed steering wheel, as well as Vernasca leather interior. Because the entry-level SE option is no longer available, the X3 starting price is roughly £44,000. The X-Line and M Sport trims are available, with the former featuring 19-inch alloy wheels, front heated sports seats, and BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, which features two 12.3-inch screens for onboard media and driver information. The BMW X3 used to be in a league of its own, but nearly 2 decades after its introduction, a slew of worthy competitors have emerged to take its place. BMW, fortunately, has responded effectively to the competition with the current generation of the X3, enhancing refinement, ride quality, and style. It is also one of the best in the company in this field, thanks to cutting-edge technologies.